DeArrow is a browser extension for crowdsourcing better titles and thumbnails on YouTube. Some people have felt that these title changes are sometimes unnecessary or can just ruin the fun. But at the same time, there are many people who do like the more boring feel created from replacing as many titles as possible and standardizing all the formats. To help satisfy both of these groups, we now have a new option called casual mode. With casual mode, you can keep the original titles when they describe the video well enough, but are clever or funny or fit one of these several categories here. How this works is when you open up a video on YouTube, you'll now see there's a second button here. This paintbrush icon will open up the casual mode menu. In the casual mode menu, you could vote for if you like or dislike the original title. And if you like the original title, you could select different categories, one or more categories that you think this title fits under. And once you submit that vote, this will now be sent and other people with casual mode will be shown the original title. How this works in the video feed is you'll now see a new green icon. This green icon tells you that other people have voted this as being funny or clever title. And if you click this icon, you'll actually still be able to see the custom title from DeArrow submissions if you want. And if you click it a third time, you'll see the original title. You'll notice here now there's actually 3 different title options here because it still will format your title to your specified title format, but you can also disable the title format if you would like. And so you could configure which categories that you prefer to see original titles for in the settings here. And you can disable or add different categories as you see fit, and also change the minimum number of votes that are required before you will see the original title. So if you want to see funny titles, but only funny titles that a certain amount of people have voted are funny, then you can increase the minimum vote count here.